Hello friends, welcome back to Aditya Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will discuss the 26th December 2021 pseudocode questions that is asked in Infosys slots guys. Okay, so वीडियो कहाँ पे तक बन रहिएगा, चैनल पर चलो सब्सक्राइब कर देना गाइस, साइड में बेल आइकन उसको क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा. एंड गाइस इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच these videos guys, go and watch these all videos because guys in these videos we are discussing the puzzle based question Infosys है ना. Infosys puzzle based question pseudocode questions are there and some aptitude reasoning questions also available in this and programming questions also available. So guys you can go and check out once this playlist. Okay, and let's discuss guys. And if you have not joined our telegram channel guys, please go and join this channel as well. Okay, so let's discuss guys one by one what types of pseudocodes asked in last slot. Okay, so guys in the Infosys you have a five pseudocodes. Okay, five pseudocodes and you need to solve these five pseudocodes in a 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes time duration is there. Clear guys? So let's discuss guys this pseudocode, how to solve this. So yeah, so this pseudocode is based on C language guys, है ना. In the C language you have a print f. And guys one very important thing guys, that is if you are writing print statement in a if condition, so guys then guys that is treat as a true. And guys that print statement also executed means guys means here you have a print 0, so guys it means it is treat as a true and condition is true. And guys this print also executed means guys 0 is printed, then after whatever in the if condition it is executed means guys print kill, sorry, red kill the cat. Okay, is also executed, it means red killed the cat. So this is your output guys. Okay, the option is second one. Okay, let's move to next question guys. Yes, so in this question guys you need to do yes, let's see. So you have a I variable guys, I equal to 6 is there. And guys this question is depend on do while loop. Okay, so yeah, so do loop is there. Then you have a print I minus 1. Okay, so I value is 6. Now I minus 1 means guys 5. So 5 is printed, then I equal to I minus 1. It means now the value of I is 5. Now let's see. While I not equal to 0, yeah, condition is true guys. Why? Because 5 does not equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. Then it will again go to the this line and print I minus 1. It means 4 is printed guys. Next thing, I equal to I minus 1. It means I equal to 4 is there. Similarly guys, similarly 5 4 3 is printed, 2 is printed, 1 also is printed. Clear? It means the value of I, whenever the value of I is 2, okay, I is 2, then print I minus 1. It means 1 is printed, right? Then I equal to I minus 1. Now the value of I equal to is 1 guys. Okay, now again it will check 1 does not equal to 0, condition is true, and it will print the 0 statement, and a 0 is printed. After that I equal to I minus 1 means guys I equal to 0 is there. Okay, then while 0 does not equal to 0, 0 does not equal to 0, condition is false and loop is not executed at that time and it will stop. Okay, your final answer is guys 5 4 3 2 1 0. Clear? Let's move to next question guys. So yeah, so in the next question you have three variables x, y, z and a. So guys in previous videos I have already discussed कि if you have a 0 then it is treated as a false, else guys or all values treat as a true, right? So let's see one by one. So value of x is 2 and is there guys, and y is nothing but a 1. So guys as I already told है ना कि 0 is treated as a false except all will except 0 all values treated as a true. It means true is there and a true is there, right? So it will give you the 1, right? Then after it guys or operator is there. So guys in the or operator, if the left part in the or operator, if the left part is true, then it will not check the right part. You can directly put a 1, right? So this condition is true guys, that's why a equal to 1 is there and the value of a is 1 is printed, 1 is printed. Clear? Next question is guys j equal to something and something is there. Okay, so before discussing this question guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, go and subscribe, है ना. and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, so let's discuss this question first, guys. So you have a j and k is there, guys, and so let's see. Yeah, so j equal to is, guys, we have a 20 and k equal to we have a, guys, 20, right? And in place of this I'm just writing like, yeah, so j's you have, we have a 20 and k also we have a 20. Okay, I'm writing like this. So next thing is, guys, we have a for loop. For loop is starting from 1 to 5. It means the value of I is executed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means, guys, 5 times this loop is executed. And we need to print k. First, let's see. So print k. K is nothing but a 20, guys. So 20 is printed. Right. Then after that, j equal to j plus 20. So j equal to j plus 20 means, guys, 40 is there. Then after is k equal to k plus j. K plus j means, guys, 40 plus 20 is nothing but a 60. Now the value of k is 60. Then again the value of I is now, guys, 2. है ना? Now, guys, 2. The value of I is 2. Print k. K is printed. It means 60 is printed, guys. Clear? Next we have j equal to j plus 20. J equal to j plus 20 means 60 is there in the j. Now k equal to k plus j means 60 plus 60. Now the value of k is 120. I is 3, guys, incremented by 1, है ना? I is 3. Now print k. K is printed. It means 120 is printed, guys. Then j equal to j plus 20 means 60 plus 20 is nothing but a 80. K plus equal to j means 80 plus 120 is nothing but a 200, right? Then again I value is 4. Then print k. K is printed means 200 is printed, guys. After that k equal to, sorry, j equal to j plus 20 means 100 and k equal to j plus k. है ना? So it means 200 plus 100 is nothing but a 300, right? Now again loop is executed. Now the value of I is, finally we got the 5, guys, and print k is nothing but a 300. Okay. Then j equal to j 20. 120 is there and k value is 300 plus 120. It means 420 is there. After that I equal to 6 is there, guys, but we need to execute this loop till I equal to 5. So it is not executed at I equal to 6. Our final answer is, guys, 20, 60, 120, 200 and 300 is our final answer. I hope, guys, this question is clear to you all. So let's discuss this question, guys. So yeah. So we have a x equal to 10 is there, guys, है ना? And as you can see, we have a while loop. 10 is greater than 9 condition is true. Now one time is cat is printed. Then, guys, again, as you can see, guys, in this loop body, we not change the value of x, right? That's why, guys, this loop is goes to infinite loop. Clear? Clear answer, guys, ये वाला है ना? Why? Because, guys, because in this loop, we are in this loop body, we are not changing any value to x. That's why, guys, this loop is goes to infinite loop. Okay, let's move to next question. Next question based on shift operator. It means left shift. ये हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड है, ये हमारा राइट हैंड है. इट मीन्स राइट शिफ्ट, लेफ्ट शिफ्ट, right? Let's see how to solve this. So x equal to x divided by y. 27 divided by 3 means 9 is there. Okay, next thing, guys, you have a z equal to x. X means, guys, 9. Left shift y. Y is nothing but a 3, right? So for solving this shift operator, guys, we need to convert this to binary. 1001 is a binary code of 9. We need to shift 3. So as I have already told, guys, if you have a left shift, then you just make a 0. 1 2 3. Done, guys. 1 2 4 8 16. This one is nothing but a 32 and this one is for 64, right? So we have a 64 plus 8 is nothing but a, guys, 72. So 72 is our answer, guys. Okay, I hope, guys, ये समझ में आया होगा. Okay, let's move to next question. So yeah, for this question I'm just changing a color. So yes, so how many time this loop is executed? Before solving this question, guys, अभी तक अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं है तो गाइस प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब, do subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button guys. Okay, don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, let's see this question. So we have a x equal to 2 2 2 we have. Okay, and print x is printed, it means 2 2 2 is printed. Then you need, but guys in this question you need to tell how many times this loop is executed, right? So x equal to x plus plus. Why guys? Because print x is printed, it means one time is executed. Next we have a guys x equal to x plus plus. Now the value of x is incremented by 1. X equal to 2 to 3, then x equal to 2 to 4, right? 2 to 4, 2 to 4, condition is true. It means guys this loop is executed only for 3 times. Clear? Why 3 times? Because guys if in the fourth time we have a 2 to 5, but guys the condition is false, right? 2 to 5 condition is false, that's why guys this loop is executed only 3 times. Clear? So this is a puzzle based question guys, puzzle. So let me share my logic for this question guys, है ना? If you have another logic just comment us, है ना? Just comment us if you have another logic guys. So my logic is guys 64 plus 36 we got 100, right? To 1 plus 1 we got 2, and 6 plus 2 we got 8. So this is my logic guys. If you have another logic, now the value of x is 2 and y is guys 8 according to my logic, according to my logic. But guys if you have another logic for solving this question just comment guys, comment your logic guys, है ना guys? Okay, so guys this is all about today's video guys. If you have any doubt query है ना, and if you want a placement guide just contact us guys. My WhatsApp number is in the description so you can go and check. But for WhatsApp number guys you can go to the group and message the admin, or just take a number of admin, and if you have any query just message the admin. And for Telegram guys, my PRIYANSHUNEMA. So guys this is my personal username of Telegram guys. If you want to contact me with Telegram guys you can, no issues, I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. But guys if you have a urgent then just do a WhatsApp. Okay, first priority I just give you the WhatsApp, next priority I just give you the Telegram, then next is Instagram, है ना? एंड फॉर यूट्यूब आई जस्ट गिव द जीरो प्रायोरिटी. मीन्स गाइस सबसे पहले यूट्यूब, देन उसके बाद व्हाट्सअप, उसके बाद टेलीग्राम, एंड लास्ट में आता हमारा इंस्टाग्राम, राइट? सो जस्ट कॉन्टेक्ट मी थ्रू व्हाट्सअप, इट इज मोर बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू बाय गाइस. बट if you have urgent only, na, if you have urgent then just message me on WhatsApp. Else guys you just message on Telegram, Instagram, no problem. I will try to resolve your query in every platform, no issues. And guys one next thing is important, that is if you have not joined our Telegram channel guys, go and join yaar, है ना? This is free of cost, I am not taking any money, है ना? Just go and join this Telegram channel, because guys here I am just updating you with placement material as well as hiring, as है ना, hiring related to 2020 to 2023 2022. ओके, सारी हायरिंग हम लोग अपलोड करते रहते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे, जो भी रियल होती है, फेक वाली मैं बिल्कुल नहीं डालता गाइस अपने ग्रुप पे. And guys if you want to practice, if you want to more practice on this guys, you can follow this playlist, है ना? Already 20 plus videos are there in this playlist, so go and check out this playlist guys. Puzzle based question, coding question, and a lot of things are there in this playlist, Infosys playlist guys. Okay, so go and check out guys. If you stuck anywhere just message me, comment me, I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible guys. And it is all about today's video guys, है ना? वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब करिए गाइस, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक बेल आइकन बटन एज वेल, जस्ट सब्सक्राइब. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टेलीग्राम को जरूर ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. ओके, वी विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट डे विद न्यू क्वेश्चंस. ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.